Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Dustin. I am a subject matter expert in the systems management space. Today I will be going over using CLI with OpenManage Enterprise, the command line interface. That is the ability to push remote commands such as IPMI, SSH, and rackatom. Since all of these commands are essentially ran in the same way, I will be focusing on rackatom for this video. There are two ways to push a command. We can push it at the device level or in the job section. So first, let me show you what I mean by that. Device level, I can click a device, and I can say more actions, and I can choose IPMI or rackatom. And if this was SSH discovered, I could choose SSH. So the other option, which I'm going to show you, is to do it in the jobs window. And I like this because you get to create a job that you can reuse. So we're going to do remote command on devices. Let's go ahead and name it. Let's call it, what I'll show you is how to set SNMP alerts through rackatom because it's something I see happen a lot. So we're going to choose rackatom as the interface, and then we're going to do arguments. Before I do arguments, I want to also show you that currently in my target, as we can see, there is no SNMP alert set. For example, we see nothing here. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to put our arguments in for the rackatom command. I'm going to show you all a common mistake, which is actually putting in rackatom. It's already putting that in through the interface. So we want to go ahead and let's remove that and just have the command here. And what this command does is it says I'm going to do SNMP for my event filters on the target that I'm pushing. So as you can see, this would be a good thing if you had 50 devices you want to send any one command to, because then you can choose more than one command at a time. And we're going to go ahead and run this now. Okay, so that finished, and it shows a status of failed, but I have a feeling that it didn't actually fail. And that's one of the reasons I chose this command, just to kind of demonstrate that if any part of the command fails, it will show fail, but actually it might have succeeded. So the command completed. It completed with errors. So in this case, some of the settings were unable to be modified, and that's actually a normal response that we would expect to see. As we can see here in our iDRAC, we'll refresh there. Go back to configuration, system settings, and alerts. And we will see that we have SNMP trap is now something that is configured. As we can see, these checkboxes are now checked. So the command did complete and work. And just to show that same process, we'll show it by per device, just to show that there's a whole nother one. So rackatom get sysinfo is a common command. We have our one device selected. We are running it now. We will go to the jobs and see the device get sysinfo completed. We will view details, and we will show the system info that it completed. So this is actually showing the output of the CLI command that we pushed. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video on pushing CLI commands using OME. Thank you, and have a great day.